First, Matiang'i's insistency on a free, fair and transparent, I can say that it has signaled something many people never expected in politics, and this process is a strategic legitimacy move. By focusing on process credibility rather than the personal ambition, he positions himself as a statesman rather than a typical power-seeking politician. And this builds trust among both the elites and the grassroots supporters. The emphasis on public involvement in leadership, I can say that to Matiang'i, hii ni kama Ponga points. Instead of relying purely on backroom political negotiations, he is aligning himself with the idea of public-driven legitimacy, which strengthens his national appeal beyond the traditional political bases.